100 tries, just running from the demons in your mind. Then I took yours and made them mine. I didn't notice cause my love was blind. Said I'd catch you if you fall, and if they laugh.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have this black and purple smoky eye, and I added a little bit of glitter to make it more interesting. And I think this makeup look screams I am ready for Halloween. I'm here. Even though I don't think I'm going to film any Halloween videos this year because right now I don't feel the Halloween spirit. I'm not inspired. Who knows, maybe in 2 days I'm going to change my mind. Who knows? But right now I'm not inspired at all. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next from me. What makeup looks you want to see next. I don't know, let me know down below if you have any requests. And yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then keep on watching. First I'm going to prep my lid, and next I'm going to go straight with the black eyeshadow. This will be my transition color, my crease color, my lid color, my everything. So slightly I'm going to build this color, and as you can see, the more I blend this, the more this turns into a gray color, and I'm not happy with that at all. And also this feels very oily, and I'm trying my best to make this look as blended as possible. And honestly, this eyeshadow, it was a pain in my trasero. And don't get me wrong, this eyeshadow is very pigmented, but when I go and blend that, the pigment disappears. I don't know what's going on, but as I said, I don't like this eyeshadow. And yeah, this was the only black eyeshadow I have in my collection, so what can I say? As you can see here, it is very pigmented, but when I go and blend that, the pigment, it disappears. And trust me when I say that I tried to blend that color a lot. I tried, okay? Next I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to use my Maybelline concealer. Next I'm going to go with the color Gem, and this is such a beautiful purple color. This has a satin finish, so it's not completely matte, and also is not very shimmery. And this is crazy pigmented, like it's kind of crazy how pigmented this color is. Then I'm going back with the black color, and I'm going to achieve a nice transition where the color matte. And next I'm going to apply glitter because I wasn't happy with this black eyeshadow. So I guess the glitter saves this makeup look. So because I don't have a glitter glue, I had to use this face primer, and it worked perfectly. I was very happy. And yeah, I'm applying glitter, black glitter. This is from BH Cosmetics, such a beautiful black glitter, and I'm using my finger to apply that. As you can see, I'm a little bit messy, but I'm going to fix that. You'll see in a second. And then I decided to apply purple glitter because why not? So this is what I am doing here. Also, I blended a little bit that purple glitter with the black glitter, and I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Next I'm going to take a small brush, and I'm going to clean a little bit that glitter because I was kind of messy, but it's okay. It's okay, I cleaned that. Next I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners, and I'm using this iridescent highlight. This is in the shade Illusion, and it's from BH For my bottom lash line, I'm going to do the exact same thing. So first I'm starting with Temptress. Next I'm going to line my eyes with this Mememe pencil. Also I'm going to tight line. And next I'm going to go with the purple shade. So basically this part has absolutely no secret. It's very easy and simple to do. So yeah. And then I'm going to line my lash line because I'm going to apply falsies with thick band and I want to hide that band. On my lips, first I'm going to start with this Essence pencil and then I'm going to go with Aquarius 2 from Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration. And last but not least, don't forget about that glow. I'm using my Nicole Guerrero and Anastasia Glow Kit. Okay, so this is the final look. I do have a few things to say about this black matte eyeshadow. First of all, I don't like it. I don't like it. Second, can you believe that this is the only black matte eyeshadow that I have in my makeup collection? Because it's kind of crazy. I do have a few eyeshadow palettes, but none of them has a black matte eyeshadow. And yeah, this is the only black matte eyeshadow. And this is not completely matte. This has a little bit of sparkle. It's not glitter, it's just a little amount of sparkle. That's how Jaclyn described this color. And also she said that they added a little bit more oil to make this more creamy. And you can notice that like after a while of wearing this eyeshadow, it tends to gather in those fine lines, and that's not cute. So I guess that's why I decided to apply black glitter on top to save this makeup look. And this black shadow is extremely pigmented, so I don't know if you noticed in the video, but because it's that pigmented, I had a hard time blending this and to make it look seamless or airbrush. So because this was the only eyeshadow that I used as my crease and also on my lids, but yeah, I'm not completely happy with the final look because, as I said, this doesn't look completely blended or airbrush in there, but it's because of the eyeshadow, because it's too pigmented, and when I blended too much, this turned into a gray color, so it wasn't completely black, if that makes sense. But then I went and built the color, and yet again when I blended it turned again into a gray shade. I don't know if I make any sense, but I'm trying to say that I don't like this eyeshadow, okay? It's too pigmented, too oily for my liking. So yeah, I had to use it because I had this makeup look in my mind for about 2 days now, and because I don't have a glitter glue, I had to use this NYX primer. This has a sticky finish, so that's why I use this to stick the glitter on my lids. This is not oily at all, so I just purchased the NYX glitter glue, but that will arrive next week, I guess. So that's why I used this primer on my lids, I mean mixed with the glitter. And this is from BH Cosmetics. This is so gorgeous. So I guess this glitter saved this makeup look, and then I decided to go with the purple glitter on top. But yeah, basically this was my saver because I wasn't happy with that black eyeshadow. So I guess this is a very long outro, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. And because I don't have a glitter, what? Seems like it's working. Camera. Today I have this black and